So last time we looked at the present tense verb to be. That was I am happy, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. Okay. Present tense verb to be. And here we have the past tense verb to be. So, what do we have for I? I was tired. Okay. I was a resident of Dubai. I was a student. Okay, so that's verb to be is was, of course. Can you think about what the question might be? It'd be was I, right? So you can ask, was I here before? If you forget, I was trying my best. I was. Okay, so you were there before. Yes, you were there before. You were a good climber. So, of course, that's the verb to be. You were. Of course, the question would be, were you? You were. So if I was, you were. He, she, it, the car, Thursday, my plan was helpful. It was a caterpillar before it became a butterfly. Okay, so he was helpful and it was a caterpillar. Become or became is not a verb to be. It's the verb to become. We were never there before. And they were looking for a new school. Okay, so we were. Yeah, there we go. And they were. All right. So now you have the past tense verb to be for all the subjects. I was, you were, it was, we were, they were. And you know what the yes/no questions are, right? So they are Was I here before? Or were you late yesterday? Or was it rainy last week? Were we going to go at 4 p.m.? That's a hard sentence. Were they coming? So here we have the verb to be for yes, no questions. There we go. So that is the past tense verb to be. And in the next class, we're going to look at the verb to be with the modal will. I will be. All right. Thank you very much. Hey guys, if you'd like your writing fixed in a video, just email me at daveseslwritingclass@gmail.com. Thank you very much.